Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and today we're going to make some boho earrings. The other day I did a video on how I make my boho link beads, boho bead links, and today I'm going to show you one of the things that you can do with them. So we have one of the boho bead links, and by the way, I'll leave a link down or at the end of this video to the video on how to make these. So when we're done here, you can go check that out. But these are really pretty easy earrings once you have this made. I did make a head pin. You can use whatever head pin. This head pin winds up being about 3 inches, excluding this. I measured 4 inches and rolled a loop and then just fed the end into the loop and tied a knot. I actually have several videos where I show how to do that, and they make really nice head pins. And I like to have them long because we're going to do a messy wrap at the top. So you feed your bead on there, and I just kind of push it down a little bit so that little rosette there will kind of flatten out a little bit. And then I'm going to take my round nose pliers and just start making my loop. But before I actually wrap it, I'm going to put the bead, boho bead link on there. And then I'm going to hold this and just start wrapping. And I do a messy wrap. Once I get it going, I usually take my round nose pliers and stick it in the hole there and just wrap it all the way. I use all of the wire. You can cut it off if you want. If you want to make a neat wrap, you could do that. But I like it messy and I like it big for these earrings anyway. So once I have it all wrapped up, I'm going to tuck that in. And then we're going to hang it on an ear wire. By the way, the racket ear here in the background is, I'm puppy dog sitting, and we are crate training him. See, I can't see is that the end of the loop? I don't want to break this. Sometimes these are hard to see. Yeah, I think it was. All right. Yeah. All right. And there we go. We have it all made. Aren't these fun? Oh, these are so pretty. I love all that glitter that these crystals show and the boho look. Like I said, if you want to learn how to make these, check out the video that I'll leave a link to at the end of this. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.